Water damage is more than just a surface problem. It can lead to serious issues if left untreated. At Restoration Specialists, we offer professional water damage repair in Camden County, New Jersey to protect your property and your health. If water damage isn't addressed promptly, it can cause mold, rot, and even attract unwanted pests. We take swift action to mitigate these risks and restore your home. Unpleasant odors and structural damage are also common results of untreated water issues. Our team ensures that every inch of your property is thoroughly dried and repaired. Gray water and black water damage pose health risks that require immediate professional attention. We have the expertise to handle hazardous water damage situations safely and efficiently. From plumbing leaks to storm damage, water damage can come from many sources. Our experienced team will quickly identify the cause and work on a customized repair plan. Our goal is to not only repair the visible damage, but also ensure your property is fully protected against future issues. We take pride in restoring your peace of mind along with your home. For professional and reliable water damage repair, we are your go-to solution. We have the tools, expertise, and dedication to get the job done right. Call us today at 609-6692-155 or visit restoration-specialist.com/areas-served/Camden-County-NJ. Restoration Specialists. Quick solutions, long-lasting protection.